We're about to enter the information cloud, which oddly enough lives inside this mountain, 70 meters underground. And here with me is Charles Doughty. He's the vice president of the underground. Why did you build up this facility back in 1951 in this particular location?
Well, back in 1951, we had the advent of the nuclear bomb. And both private sector and the federal government determined that putting records underground was a safe and secure way of protecting them. In addition, we have some unique geologic features to this mine that makes it unique for that characteristic. And finally, the fact that it's in an extremely remote location lent itself for that. Let me go in and show you some of the unique features of the facility.
Okay, let's go. So what are the specific features of this facility, Chuck?
Some of the unique features are the fact that we are located in a zero-rated seismic area. The fact that there is a shale layer overlaying the limestone, which makes this mine very dry. And finally, the fact that this limestone has a structural strength. One of the first customers that we had was the federal government. Yes, it is. But there still are some one-of-a-kind collections, some extremely important documents that we have for private sector that require extremely high levels of security too. In the United States, the Pentagon and the White House is a level 5. We are a level 4 facility. We have classified areas here.
Most of us tend to put our jewelry and our valuables and our important papers in a safe deposit locker in a bank. Data centers like these will be the banks of the future, because the currency of the future is going to be the information that we have and we manage for our business. That's where the power will be, that's where the function will flow out of.
As the cloud expands, more space is needed down here for the storage of data generated daily all over the world. This room will be soon storing valuable information, whether personal, corporate, or governmental. And new technologies are needed to cope with the demand. So this is a traditional data server, isn't it?
Yes, this is a data center that we built in 2001. Basically involves a raised floor environment where we have air conditioning units that actually draw the heat down from the top, cool it, drive the air under the raised floor. Then we have perforated panels in the floor that permits the cold air to come up, entering the servers.
So we are now in room 48. What's the difference between this facility and the traditional data servers?
Well, the traditional data center has a raised floor environment in it, primarily for wire distribution and cooling. In this environment, we eliminated the raised floor, and we're utilizing the cooling aspects of the subterranean limestone, which is naturally 55 degrees.
So this is another control environment.
So this is another design of a cold aisle containment. Same principle. We're forcing the cold air into the cold aisle, and in this particular case, what we've done is contained it via hard walls, but we also have the chimneys that extract the hot air and takes it to the return plant.
This rock here, this is the main thing that is keeping everything cool. Is nature integrating seamlessly with technology, isn't it?
That's exactly right. We're probably 40, 50, 60% more efficient over here, even at a higher density.